Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am your expert on high-quality aluminum profile. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of our 6 major surface treatment processes for aluminum, each of which contains exquisite skills and endless innovation. Let's take a look. First introduced is the wood veneer. The wood veneer wood grain finish gives aluminum profile a realistic wood look while retaining strength and durability. Commonly used for aluminum profile handles and flooring, this process is both beautiful and practical for modern home styles. Next is the brushed process, which gives aluminum profile a fine, silky texture that not only enhances the sophistication of the appearance, but also increases the wear resistance of the surface. It is suitable for high-end furniture and architectural decoration, such as window frames. Then there is brushing, also known as polishing, which is a matte or high-gloss finish on the surface of aluminum through the brushing or polishing process. This process not only enhances the abrasion resistance of the aluminum, but also improves its corrosion resistance, making it ideal for industrial equipment as well as for external protection of U-shaped aluminum. Anodizing, a process that provides aluminum profile with a tough, protective coating that increases its resistance to corrosion and abrasion. This process is widely used for architectural window frames and H-shaped aluminum, which is particularly suitable for exterior exposure. An electrochemical aluminum profile process is a surface technology that applies a layer of paint to the surface of aluminum through an electrochemical process. This process not only enhances the corrosion resistance of aluminum profile, but also provides a rich selection of colors and sheens, which are widely used especially in building components, such as windows and door frames. Finally, powder coating process. Through the powder coating spraying, aluminum can present diverse colors and textures. This process is not only colorful, but also weather-resistant, can enhance the corrosion resistance of aluminum, commonly used in colored aluminum profile handles and architectural decoration. After these 6 surface treatment processes, we provide not only aluminum profiles, but also a perfect blend of quality and aesthetics. Thank you for watching. We are a one-stop aluminum solution for all your aluminum profile needs. Want to know more? Feel free to contact us or subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow.